Torrential Slide really is a mid-position digital money as of now estimated at $12.02 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4.270.8804 when incredibly. Over the sort of past most certainly couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Torrential Slide, laid out an extremely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and certainly are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in a very enormous way. A few institutional financial backers even fundamentally consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy incredibly. Retail financial backers and brokers especially are somewhat keen on digital currencies for example, Avax on the grounds that this fundamentally is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources really have the by and large potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately sort of brief timeframe, which by and large is very critical. These profits truly are essentially impossible in sort of different business sectors, which sort of is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Torrential Slide, while the groundbreaking ones commit a huge part of their very money to this quickly creating resource class in a significant manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $12.02, where it presently especially sits in an unpretentious manner. As currently referenced, Avax truly is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a really significant manner. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization truly remains at $4.270.8804 when the significance of this boundary will be truly made sense of later in a truly significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation fundamentally is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to give our supporters the most reliable data on the sort of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily in every practical sense evaluate the condition of their portfolio and by and large choose whether or not it basically has to sort of be reconfigured, which really shows that Torrential Slide truly is a mid-position digital money, as of now estimated at $12.02, that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4.270.8804 when in an unobtrusive manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which in every practical sense is truly imperative for the by and large right assessment of both, for the most part current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its actual present and future course, showing how our calculation likewise gives sort of exceptional consideration to authentic information, which certainly is genuinely basic for the genuinely right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its for the most part present and future bearing in a sort of enormous manner. Underneath you will in a real sense find in every way that really matters key extracts of this verifiable information, so you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market generally is going, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 2nd, Avax really was esteemed at $12.20 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings in a real sense. Recollect that cryptographic forms of money for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., or so they explicitly thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 2.42% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on October 27, Torrential Slide most certainly was exchanged at $11.06 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that truly near its exceptionally present position, which sort of is genuinely huge. On October 3, which for the most part was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $9.40, the cost level that essentially is at the distance of 28.33% from where it presently truly remains in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which is genuinely critical. Market capitalization truly is another significant exceptionally metric that basically assists traders with truly deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which sort of is very huge. It's additionally used to sort of survey the offer that torrential slide generally holds inside the whole digital money market, so the cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, sort of added up to 2.42%, which is very critical. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization especially is fairly basic. The coursing supply of the money being referred to in every practical sense is duplicated by its kind of current cost, which in every way that really matters is very critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax in a real sense remains at $4.270.8804 when, enough to name it the 22nd actually the biggest coin on the digital currency market, so the most certainly thought. Yesterday, on November 2nd, the market capitalization of torrential slide generally remained at $4,332,368,523, which basically is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on October 27th, the capitalization of Avax in a real sense was $3,927,284,035, which shows that at this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $12.02 where it presently sits, or so the thought. A month prior, on October 3rd, how much truly capital streaming around this sort of specific market sort of added up to $3,338,644, showing him on account of torrential slide, the market capitalization truly remains at $4,270.8804 when the significance of this boundary will sort of be made sense of later in an especially huge manner. Most digital money financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific digital money and its capacity to truly endure disturbances, which truly are the fundamentally normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, or so they thought. The sort of greatest stock of torrential slide basically is 720,000,000 Avax. The complete inventory of Avax presently in every practical sense remains at 432,527,958 coins, especially further appearance how the truly most extreme stock of torrential slide generally is 720,000,000 Avax. The fundamentally all-out supply of Avax right now sort of stands at 432,527,958 coins in a truly significant manner. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey is 355,151,778 Avax in a significant manner. This torrential slide cost forecast wouldn't fundamentally be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all digital currency dealers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a very enormous manner. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the very low exchanging volume, there essentially is an extremely high likelihood that this move really is unreasonable and would fundamentally bring about a bullish snare, which certainly is genuinely critical. Thusly, it is essential to examine the fundamentally past and the truly current